Welcome back to my channel. We are back in, we are back in my lovely little living room here, which I used to film in front of, but I do prefer to talk in my videos now. So considering my husband's office is in the living room, love apartment life. Well, I mean, I like it, but I would love if he could have his own little space. If they would stop laying off everyone, that's a little scary. But anyways, I've been doing a little just dopamine decor like design, and I love color and I love all that stuff. So I thought this would be the perfect time to kind of finish the living room a little bit. We have had this media center for the 8 years we've lived here. Let's put it over here. Can you even see it? We've had this media center for about 8 years, and we got it off, I think, Facebook or Craigslist. I don't remember what we used at the time to find this. We recently got you a stand for Christmas from my mother-in-law, and then I bought this after I won $110 off of a scratch off. So that was on Amazon, and it has a lot of my vinyls, extra candles, storage. This has a lot of crafts and junk that I just need to go through and get rid of, but this is very handy. I will link this below. I will link this below. They don't sell this anymore. And it served us well. The drawer is a little janky, and it's overwhelming. Up here, it's too cluttered, and then the fact that it has this like big thing around it just makes it look even more like small in here. Not that it's like crazy small. So I'm going to try to implement it in my own way. I found a stand that I think will work pretty good off of Amazon. So I'm going to order that, and when that arrives, we will also be decluttering in this. That'll be probably the first thing we do, because I'm sure half of it can just be tossed in the dumpster. The rest is probably like crafts and stuff, so I will just put off into a box to the side. And then once the new stand arrives, I know it has a spot for vinyls, so I might put some in there and then move some stuff in here. And then there's a shelf above where I can put this stuff, or at least some of this stuff. And I just think it's going to make the whole room look a lot bigger and less cluttered. I'm very excited about it. I love doing little like room remodels, so it'll be fun. I also usually have some sheer curtains here, and there's usually blinds, but I just went to open them, to open the window, and then they just all fell off the little thing up here and broke and fell. So love that. So I had to fix that later. But I have some sheer, like, kind of like egg blue curtains that I usually have. I'm washing them, and I also got some orange ones to layer some orange and green, just kind of make it more whimsical and colorful, and I think it'll look pretty, so we'll do that too, and it's gonna be great. I also feel like I gotta show you this lamp. I got this baby for $20 at an antique at a garage sale. It's the only good thing I saw. It's so fucking beautiful. This didn't come with it. This was my old one. The one that it came with it is about as tall as this, and as you can tell, that would be pretty tall, and it was just too big for the space. This is perfect, and it's beautiful, and it's the best $20 I've ever spent. Can't wait to show you this little redo. Maybe it'll inspire you to re-up your space. because the world it's shit. So let's take this cup full of crunchy ice, and then we're gonna take strawberry sparkly water, so it's like kind of healthy. Ooh, do you hear that? It's nice. Maybe like the ASMR people. A lime one. They make it look like I'm in there. Let's give her a try. That's pretty good. I feel like the softness of the strawberry mixed with the lime is pretty tasty. Also, let's put my power headband on. I mean, I have a lot of headbands, but I really like this rhinestone one that also has a black side. They're so small, it's almost giving devil, but also kitty. So I just put her on. I do wear these to the gym a lot. I feel like it wards off men from talking to me. Also think I'm gonna have a little snack. Gotta make working out have a little reward after. Definitely seeing results now. I got getting those endorphins, as they say, BB. Definitely helps cure some of what's going on in the planet. Not much. Let's be real. Maybe feeling better about myself physically, but I'm not feeling too good about the world right now. So gotta take the little wins where you can. I gotta wear the little headband, have the sour strip, and just keep on going, because we can do it. Gotta keep fighting the good fight. You better vote in November. I'm sick of this. Congress isn't gonna do anything about the pedo in the White House. We gotta vote these people out, y'all. Vote them out, please. Please vote. Please vote. But even when I took a speech class, they were like, I'm not gonna vote, it doesn't matter. We clearly see it does. Like, the amount of percentage people who didn't vote in the last election was insane. Use that power that you do have and vote these freaks away.